everyone, this is Jessie from Multisoft Corporation, your MLM solutions provider. Do you want to know how to configure announcements every time a customer or a distributor is logged into the website? More like of a pop-up feature that will display content for the company. Well, you could definitely accomplish that. The best way to do it as the administrator is once you are logged in with your username and password, you will need to go to the menu company. You're going to go to announcement management. So go ahead and click on announcement management. And as the administrator, you could go ahead and create different announcements, whether it is announcements that should only appear or pop up for customers, or if it's announcement that's going to pop up for distributors. So the administrator has the ability to do this here under announcement management. So here is pretty basic. We have here all announcements. So depending on how many announcements you create, it will appear here on the list. You have the add link here that you could go ahead and click on to create a new announcement. And then you could go ahead and click on settings. Now, real quick, let's go to settings so that way we can see what's available to us. Okay. So of course, you're going to select the headline announcement once you create it. Show the numbers of records display. So you could show 1, 5, 7, 11. And then once you apply those changes, you're going to go ahead and click Save and Close. All right. So let's go ahead and click on Add. Let's go ahead and create a new announcement. So once the page is loaded, then we could go ahead and start creating our new announcement. Now, the good thing about this area is that we need to put in specific details when it comes to the announcement, such as the title, version, and short description. So these are mandatory fields that we need to enter our announcement. All right. So once we answer that, then we could go ahead and click and go to our HTML text editor or our window, which is WYSIWYG. What you see is what you get. And then we could go ahead and type in our content. All right. So my focus right now is I'm going to go ahead and create an announcement for distributors. So every time distributors are logged in, they're going to see this pop up. So right now I'm going to set it to, let's see, 10. I'll leave it there for the time. The finish date, I'll change it for tomorrow, Friday, and we'll change it to 12 a.m. All right, make sure that set as visible is checked, even though it will be automatically checked. Read only access. So obviously we want our distributors to see this announcement once they're logged in into the back office. So we're going to select distributor here. That way they can see the announcement. Read-write access should always be set to administrator. That way the admin can go back and delete the announcement once it's over or make some small minor changes for the announcement. All right, so let's go ahead and click Save and Close. And now we created our announcement. Now, real quick, what I want to do is I want to go to settings. I want to select this announcement so that way it will be the first announcement to pop up for distributors. So I go here to the headline announcement, select the one that I just created, and click Save and Close. Now, what I'm going to do to test this properly is I'm going to go to Users, User Management, and I'm going to sign in as a distributor. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to filter all of the users by clicking on Distributor. And let's say I'm going to log in as Derek Sorensen. So I'm going to hover on top of his name and then click on Sign In as this person. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and log in as Derek, because we can see here Derek dot your company domain, of course, .com or .net. And there it is. Here's a pop-up for the new announcement. Now, here's the good thing about the announcement is that if someone simply clicks on close and, just so that way they could um, keep the window closed and for it not to appear again, they can go ahead and close it. But so that way the window or the pop-up does not appear again, they must apply a checkbox here for I have read all announcements and then click save and close. That way the pop-up won't appear again for that distributor. But this is how you're able to create an announcement for distributors or for customers. All right. Please share this webinar training with your company administrators and support team in order to enhance the services provided to your customers and distributors. We appreciate your feedback and input. Please let us know if this helped and how we can improve supporting you. If you have any questions about this or any other trainings, would like to schedule one-on-one training with one of our CSRs, or would like to speak with a multi-soft accountant executive, please call us at 239-945-6433 or submit a help desk ticket request at helpdesk.marketpowerpro.com.